This video is demonstration on RISHABH brand digital multimeter. Model number 6016. This has a special feature of Bluetooth communication. First, I am checking the DC function. When I press the yellow button, it gives an option to view both AC and DC voltage. First, I am checking the DC voltage. Next, AC voltage. Next, I am checking the DC millivolt using a calibrator. Next, I am checking the resistance value. 15 megohm. (1.5 megohm). 150 kilo ohm. You can see the same value as I turn on the meter. Next, I'm going to check the diode value. When I press the yellow button, you can see the continuity. Next, I am going to check the temperature using a K-type sensor. First, I am checking the room temperature, and now the body temperature. Next, I am going to check the capacitance value. I am using a 10 microfarad capacitor. You can see the same value. Next, I am going to check the AC amps. You can see the automatic terminal blocking system now. There are two methods to check the AC amps. First, I'm going to use a clamp meter. You have to press the menu button and press the down arrow mark and click the setup function and go to the clamp function and turn it on. We are using 1000 amps clamp, so set the value 1:1000. And using this 1000 amps clamp, I am checking the value. The second method, we can check directly from the multimeter. Here comes the special feature of the multimeter, which is Bluetooth connection. Open the Play Store application and download the application called as RISHABH Multimeter 601X. Here, when you click the start, you can see the same values in the meter as well as the same value is recorded on the Android phone. You can turn on the Bluetooth on the meter by clicking the right arrow. The values will be stored in the file manager. And here you can see the values which has been stored. Thank you.